Hello, this is Francis from Good Team, and I'm going to show you how to use the topic cluster tool in HubSpot. This goes along with another video that we made on using the topic research tool that HubSpot offers for SEO. This is a great tool to organize your content as well as do a little bit of research before you start writing a bunch of content. So let's say you are going to be writing about marketing. That's your main piece of content, your pillar page. What HubSpot has created is a topic cluster, which is exactly what it looks like. It sounds like. It's just a cluster of topics that point back to your main pillar page. So in this example, we are using marketing. Let's say we've got a blog or a lead magnet or a product page that is marketing, and we want to start writing content that's going to push people back to that pillar page. So what this will do is help you understand what content does really well and pulls people to that pillar page, and maybe what content you should recycle or add a different piece to. So there are three things you can do here. First of all, you can monitor the performance of your content. Once you've added a pillar page and some subtopics, then that data will start to show up here. You will need a HubSpot tracking code, and in some cases you may need to be using a HubSpot blog or have an attribution code connected to your site. So just note on that. If you know you've already written content, what will happen is you can find related content that, our keyword is marketing, so they're scanning that and they said, oh, you've got 7 pieces of content on marketing, so why don't you go ahead and add some of that content you've already written. So yeah, sure. Let's say we'll add these 3. So you can add content that's already been created, or you can add a new topic and link new sources by clicking add subtopic. This works the same way as the topic research tool. So I'm just going to say, let's say a subtopic might be digital marketing. I research that and I'll say, yeah, we probably should write about services because we provide digital marketing services. It's got a high monthly search volume. Digital marketing in general, that's kind of high. So don't really want to rank for that because it'll be really competitive. If you're ready to commit to that, go for it. But staying middle ground is kind of the wise place to be. So once you have chosen the keyword that you want to rank for, you can either create a post with a HubSpot blog, or you can add an external link. As long as that tracking code is on the site, the data will appear. In some cases, you may need an attribution code. So that's how to create a topic cluster. Again, this is to help you be able to track performance as well as strategize and organize some of your content pieces to make sure that they're all going back to the correct pillar page and you really have a strong SEO strategy. Thanks.